Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. In front of me HMD Skyline, and now I'm gonna show you a new security feature available only on HMD devices called USB protection. So now I'm gonna show you how to enable USB protection and how it works. So as you can see now, for example, if I'll unlock my HMD Skyline device, Yes, okay. And for example, here I have a pen drive. So when I'll connect it to my device, I can now open Files application. Allow it all, and here, as you can see, I have SanDisk. I have SanDisk device here. Wait a while, maybe it's here. Nope. I'll try again. Something going wrong. Why it doesn't work? Okay, explore. Oh, okay, I don't know why it doesn't work in normal mode, but now, for example, I can explore my USB drive. Here I have videos, and in this way I can explore documents and files here. For example, here is the video, and I can open it, I can close it, I can move it to my internal storage, for example. But now, if I will open USB protection mode, to find USB protection mode, you should open settings, then just scroll down here in settings and find here security and privacy. Scroll down again, find more security and privacy, scroll down again, and here we have USB protection. Enable it, and now when we connecting any USB device to our smartphone, we have notification: USB protection enabled. Use safety verification to allow USB protection. So in case that you gave your device to a friend, for example, or to a stranger, and he will connect his suspicious pen drive to your device, you'll need to verify your device with your password or pattern lock, as you can see, and only after verification you'll be able to explore your USB drive. But it works not only with pen drives, but with any USB connection, even when you try to charge your device using a computer, for example. For example, if you connecting your device to your laptop, so it will ask you, does it want only charge or charge and explore? And in case you want to charge and explore, you should confirm your pattern lock. Thanks for watching. Like this video. I hope this video was helpful for you, and bye. See you.